We're gonna lube up these trailer bearings the easy way. So I've got a trailer aid, and all I do is put that in front of the tire and drive the trailer up onto it. One note on that is it's good to make sure your tires are inflated properly, otherwise that's not gonna work. Once that's done, the other one's elevated, and that way it can spin freely. And next step is to remove the caps. So I got these little hubcap covers. I use a screwdriver, push in behind it, and take that off. Next I have the Easy Lube caps, and I'm gonna use my screwdriver here and pop those off. They're just rubber and they come out like that. Always have lots of paper towels nearby. So now if we look in close, there's a little nozzle here. It's got grease on it. If I uncover that, there's a little nozzle. I'm gonna grab a paper towel, show you better. So you can see that little nozzle there. I'm gonna take a grease gun and attach that right on the nozzle, just with some pressure. I just push on that, and I'm gonna pump. And while I pump, I'm gonna have an assistant rotate the tire. So I'll pump, and the tire rotates. You want to rotate the tire so that the bearings can move. After a little while, I can see the old grease is starting to come out. And I can tell it's old grease, it's black. And my new grease is red, so I know that's not new grease, that's the old stuff coming out. After I get so far, I can stop for a second and wipe it off. And then we'll keep going. Now that starts coming out red. That's the color of my new grease. You could, there's blue and there's green, but I've got the red kind. And once I start seeing that red, I know I'm almost done. Just gonna do one more here. See, it's red now. That's the new stuff. So now I'm gonna wipe it all off. Be careful when you wipe this off, it's kind of sharp on the inside. Don't let your finger get cut. Clean off on the outside too. I'll clean off the old grease cap. So it's all clean. You can see I'm using these Easy Lube caps, so if your trailer has this, you can use this method. And those just push in, you hear them pop in there. Give it a wipe. Then we'll take our wheel cap, and those push back on. And there it is. Then we can back the trailer back off of our trailer aid here, and we'll be back on the ground and good to go.